Hi, I got another book review here for you. This is a children's book. Really cool illustrations in this book. So I thought I would pop on the camera and do a hashtag JJ book review on this one. Really fun if you're doing, I know there's people who do lots of chicken junk journals, so I thought this would be a cool book. So let's get some dimensions. This one is about 8.5 by 11 1/8. And it's hardcover, and here's the back. That's kind of neat here. Gosh, you could put something in the middle here and cover this up and it would be really cute. Actually, book cover itself. It's absolutely true. And it's by Scandinavia Fairy Tales. So this was really interesting. It's a pretty good sized book. And the illustrations are just phenomenal. And I don't know how old it is. 1984, yeah, by Scandinavia. So, it's really neat book. Look at all these bright, beautiful chickens. It would just really be fun to fussy cut these out and use them in your journals on tags and collaging. But, like I said, it's the illustration, it's just really, really pretty. And they're so detailed. Look at this one, chicken with the egg. It's nice, beautiful, bright letters in here. But I mean, just look at that whole spread there. There's a fly on the wall. And look at the owls. I love this. This is also a sewn-in signature, so the whole thing can come out. But look at those baby owls. Aren't they cute? They are so adorable. Oh, I just loved this book. And then there's a night picture. And then this page was one of my favorites too, with the owl and the butterfly and then the doves. And there's the rooster. And oh gosh, I just look at the morning cock-a-doodle-doo. I just thought this was just so darn cute. I have to read this book too. But I just thought I'd pop on the camera and show this one because I don't know, maybe you're a fan of doing the farm journals or the chicken or even the owl journals. These are some really cute content for your journal, so I just thought I'd share that with you if you're looking for that type of stuff. But it's by Hans Christian Andersen. All right, thank you so much.